Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we will learn about Artificial Intelligence Project Cycle chapter of class 10th of subject Artificial Intelligence, which has the subject code 417, right? So students, first of all, let's look upon what is the syllabus given by the CBSE, right? Because this chapter will include lots and lots of topics. So as you can see on my screen, this is the syllabus that is uploaded by CBSE, and for this chapter we have this syllabus, right? So first of all, introduction is there, then we will do all the steps, all the stages of AI project cycle in detail. The first stage will be problem scoping, second will be data acquisition, third will be data exploration. So in the first part of this video, we will be including only these sections. The remaining 2-3 sections we'll cover in the part 2 of the video. So students, to begin it up, let us first of all know what is AI project cycle. So as you can see on my screen, it is the sequence of phrases that a project goes through from its initiation to its closure. Of course, means there are a series of 5 steps in AI project cycle which goes on one after the another, and all of them comprises the AI project cycle. Now let's understand this with a very simple example. Like you all people create projects in different subject, let's say maths, let's say science, let's say SST, right? And if a teacher gives you the project, so what is the first step that comes to your mind? The first step that comes to your mind is what exactly is the project about? What is the project? So that part we will be covering in problem scoping, right? So let's understand the step number 1, that is problem scoping. It means it includes scoping the problem which you wish to solve with the help of your project. Means what is the problem? What exactly is the question? Problem means the topic, the name, the topic of the project, right? Now, let's understand the second stage, that is data acquisition. Now, when you are able to understand clearly what exactly is your project, what exactly is your problem, then after that what you will do, you will collect the data for it. Obviously you will collect the data from different sources. You will collect the data maybe from the books, from the magazines, from the newspaper articles, from you can collect the data from the internet, a very big source of data. You can go, you can ask your seniors, you can take help from them, you can take help from any other person. So you will collect data from different sources, and the same thing here is in data acquisition stage. This stage includes acquiring the data for the AI project. I hope you all know that data is the very essential part of any artificial intelligence project or machine. Then after collecting the data, what we will do we use all of it? No, we don't use all the data. We take out the better data, we take out the required data, we take out the relevant data out of it, isn't it? So here comes the stage number 3, that is data exploration, which includes exploring the data, interpreting some useful information out of the acquired data, and put it uniformly for a better understanding of data. So till now, we have covered 3 stages. First one, problem scoping, where we understand what is our problem, what exactly is our question. Second, collecting data. Third, fetching the relevant data out of the whole collected data. That is data exploration. Now, after that, 2 more stages are there. One is modeling and another one is evaluation. Now, what is modeling? This includes looking at different AI enabled algorithms, going through several models and select the ones which match your requirements and then implementing the chosen model. So, modeling basically we frame a model for the AI project with different algorithms, and then we choose out of it. We match out. that our requirements are matching or not. And the last stage is evaluation. Like we people, we teachers, we people do evaluation, right? We people take your test, we people take your examination after the syllabus is completed. So the same here we do in AI project cycle as well, right? So evaluation stage, the last stage of AI project cycle, this includes deploying the concerned model in the real world and evaluating each and every model and then choosing the model which gives the most efficient, reliable results. So, the five stages: first one, problem scoping; second, acquisition; third, exploration; then modeling; and the last stage is evaluation. Now, students, let us learn more about the first stage of AI project cycle, that is problem scoping. So we can use the 4Ws framework to understand step by step how problem scoping is done. And what are those 4W? They are who, what, where, and why. Yes. So let us understand what is who block. Who block means that who all are the stakeholders, who all are those people who are directly or indirectly responsible for that problem. Second one is what block. What means what exactly is the problem? What exactly is the scenario? What exactly is the situation? Third comes the where block. Where block means what is the location? What is the situation of the context? And the last one is why block. That why we are finding the solution of that problem. So all these four W's lie in the problem scoping part. The next one is data acquisition. Data acquisition says it is acquiring data for the project. Data is the lifeblood of the artificial intelligence. Now let us understand this with a very simple example. So let's say we have created the AI machine and that AI machine helps us to identify the fruit. Obviously, we have trained that machine, we have provided different pictures to that machine, right? And after that, if we show any picture of the fruit, so the machine is able to clearly identify what exactly is the fruit is, right? Now you can see two terms are here, that is training data and testing data. Now, what is training data? Training data is that data that we used to give at the time of training the machine. Yes, at the time of learning stage, at the time where the machine is gathering the data, where the machine is acquiring the data. That data is training data. Now, what is testing data? Testing data is at the time of evaluation, at the time of identification, at the time where we want the output from the machine, right? Where we are testing whether the machine is predicting the correct result or not. So, that data is known as testing data. Now, students, let us understand another topic, that is data features. Now, data features comes under the stage 2 itself, that is data acquisition. As you can see, data features refers to the type of data you want to collect. Type of data you want to collect, right? Now, type of data can be in the form of CSV file, images, it can be text data, alphanumeric. Now, below are they are some of the ways how to collect the data, right? So we can do surveys, I hope you understand, that is customers feedback and reviews, right? Sensors sensors are the data collected from various sensors to track the conditions of physical things that can be monitored in real time. Next is cameras, live data, right, from the surveillance cameras, web cameras. Then we have observations, reading and analysis, trends. Then we have one more, it's not mentioned here, that is API, application programming interface, right? So all these are the ways of data acquisition. Now, next comes the stage 3, that is data exploration. Now, students, in this stage, what is done? We explore the data. The large data which is collected in stage 2, that is data acquisition stage, here it is explored. Here it is filtered, here it is visualized, right? So here is another term, that is data visualization. Basically, it is the discipline of trying to understand data by placing it in a visual context so that the patterns, trends, and correlations that might not otherwise be detected can be exposed. So data visualization, it is the presentation of data in graphical format. So as you can see in the picture here, this is the picture of the histogram, right? So histogram, bullet graph, scatter plot, all these are the examples to visualize data. Some more are there, like tree diagram, flow chart, pie chart. Here is the picture of tree diagram, right? So basically all these are the examples how to visualize the data. So data visualization, that is the part of stage 3, that is data exploration. So students, in this video, let me summarize what we have done till now. First of all, we have learnt about what is AI project cycle. Then I have shown the syllabus to you all. Then we have learnt about the 3 stages of AI project cycle, that is problem scoping, data acquisition, and data exploration. So other 2 stages, that is data modeling and evaluation, will be covered in the next video. So keep watching and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.